If you are thinking about applying for a loan, chances are that you are at the point where you need to know if you can apply for loans online. This is important because you need to know how you can get approved for an online loan, and you need to know when you can get approved for an online loan. There are many lenders who offer loans to individuals and those businesses who want to do business online. These lenders have also realized that their customers want to get online and they are offering their services to help them. It is in your best interest to know what the different benefits of an online loan are. One important thing to know is that online processing is better than the old-fashioned process of applying in person. The old process of applying by mail is outdated and never works as well as online processing. Online processing can help you with your application in the same way that you would expect it to, and in some cases even better. You need to be aware that you will not receive the proper service from the lender that you choose if you go in for online processing. You will have to worry about things like payment, and extra fees if you need to pay something to the lender. You will also be dealing with someone in another part of the country that you will not have much contact with and who will not be in touch with you. Online processing of a loan is also time-consuming. You will have to wait for the paperwork to go through before you can get your loan processed and start paying back your loan. It is important to know that many of these loans are of a short-term nature and many people need to get this done quickly. One of the benefits of online processing is that you will have more control over the loan than you would if you applied in person. The lender will not be able to contact you in a direct manner if you do not want them to, and you will also be able to make sure that all the paperwork is in order and that everything is correct before you give them any money. When you use an online lender, you are free to trust that they can do the job. In addition to this, many online lenders have added tools that will allow you to get a much higher rate of interest than you would be able to get otherwise. You will be able to get a much better rate of interest in many cases, and you will also be able to get a more flexible repayment schedule. You may also qualify for a better rate of interest if you have poor credit or have had bad credit in the past. Some lenders will be willing to give you a lower rate of interest on your loan if you have a history of poor credit. You may find that with the right lender you can get a loan that you can afford that will help you with whatever debt you have. There are other benefits of online processing as well. These benefits can help you avoid having to spend all of your time just trying to get through the various processes required to get approved for a loan. If you are already aware of the benefits of online processing, you might be wondering if you should even apply for a loan in person. The truth is that in person is the best way to go. However, you will need to be ready to deal with the stress that it can bring, and you will have to be open to the fact that there are many lenders that have online processing and you will need to be able to meet all of their requirements. Online processing will help you with your application if you apply for a loan in person. However, if you are serious about getting a loan, you need to make sure that you make the effort to apply for a loan online.